You cannot play double standards. It is not allowed that you play double standards. You cannot expect the President of the Republic of Kenya to obey court judgments when you, as a leader of ODM, you have disobeyed court judgment today and you have sworn in Odinga. It was disallowed by court. So we should be able to obey the court order. The right thing to do, you should have gone back to court to get the right to swear him in. So don't talk about the president not doing this and you're doing the opposite. Nobody is God. Nobody is God. And secondly, I said in Siaya there was corruption. People did not believe. But I'm glad the EACC announced 10 names. I am calling on EACC like what they have done to Balala, what they have done to Vihiga. I want that within the next couple of days, we see arrest of people who are stealing public money. 2013 I won, you didn't give me. 2017 I won, you didn't want to give me. 2022 you didn't want to give me. It is the courts that pronounce themselves and give me certificate. Then you expelled me. You expelled me. The court returned me back to the party. Party, you know, I repeat for a second time, to be the next Secretary General of ODM. You upende usipende. Upende usipende. And me, I don't do magic. My Lord lives in heaven. The MP for Orengo. Your MP is MDG. Sort your house. Sort your house.